Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got something exciting to share today, especially if you've been dreaming of building an online income stream without all the complicated tech stuff or spending hours every day writing content. Let's be honest, affiliate marketing can feel overwhelming at times, right? Between setting up a website, finding the right niche, and creating engaging content, it can easily feel like a full-time job. That's why I was so intrigued when I came across Azon AI sites. I'll admit, when I first heard about it, I was a little skeptical. The idea of creating fully functional Amazon affiliate websites with just a few clicks sounded too good to be true, but after diving in, I've got to say, there's a lot more here than meets the eye. Let me walk you through my experience and why this tool could be a game changer for anyone looking to make money online. First off, the setup process is incredibly simple. Once you log in, everything feels intuitive. You're not bombarded with a million options or complicated steps. Instead, you're guided through 3 straightforward actions: log in, choose your niche, and publish. That's literally it. In just a couple of minutes, you can have a fully functional affiliate site up and running. Now, the real magic lies in what happens behind the scenes. Azon AI Sites isn't just about slapping a few products on a page and calling it a day. It's powered by advanced AI technology that automatically generates content, product reviews, and even trending keywords tailored to your niche. I tested this out by selecting a niche that I'm familiar with, and the results were impressive. The AI-generated reviews were detailed and engaging, and they were designed to help the site rank on Google. Speaking of ranking, this tool is designed with SEO in mind. That's a huge deal. If you've ever tried to optimize a site manually, you know how time-consuming and technical it can be. With Azon AI Sites, the heavy lifting is done for you. The AI ensures your content is optimized with the right keywords, so you stand a better chance of getting organic traffic. And let's face it, organic traffic is the holy grail when it comes to affiliate marketing. Another feature I loved is the ability to tap into 30,000 niches and 350 million Amazon products. This means you can target practically any audience. Whether you're into tech gadgets, fitness gear, or home decor, there's a niche waiting for you. The tool even helps you identify trending products and categories, so you're always ahead of the curve. What really stands out about Azon AI Sites is how much time it saves. Forget about writing daily reviews or researching what's popular. The AI handles all of that. It even updates your site with fresh reviews and content regularly, so it stays relevant and engaging. For someone like me, who's juggling multiple projects, this kind of automation is invaluable. Now let's talk about costs. One of the biggest pain points with affiliate marketing tools is the recurring fees. Platforms that offer similar features often charge hefty monthly or annual fees. But during the Azon AI Sites launch, there are no monthly or annual costs. That's right, one payment and you're done. It's a refreshing change, and it makes this tool accessible even if you're just starting out. If you're someone who loves bonuses, you'll be happy to know they're throwing in some great extras during the launch period. These are designed to help you get even more value out of the platform, and honestly, who doesn't love a good bonus? Of course, no tool is perfect, and I always like to share both the pros and cons. While Azon AI Sites is incredibly powerful, it's worth noting that the effectiveness of any affiliate site depends on choosing the right niche and consistently driving traffic to it. The AI does a lot, but you'll still need to put in some effort to promote your site and attract visitors. That said, this platform removes so many of the traditional barriers that I think it's a fantastic starting point for anyone. I also want to point out their 30-day money-back guarantee. It's reassuring to know that if for some reason the tool doesn't meet your expectations, you can get a refund. That kind of confidence from the creators is always a good sign. So, if you've been sitting on the fence about starting an Amazon affiliate business, now might be the perfect time to jump in. Azon AI Sites simplifies the entire process, from building your site to generating content and ranking on Google. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, this tool could save you hours of work and help you tap into Amazon's massive potential. That's it from me today. If you've got any questions about Azon AI Sites, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.